Hello friends, Civil Quantity Insider by RG. Welcome to Practical Estimation and Costing Training Program. Today we learn Excel and Civil Engineering tricks and formulas like Excel functions, Ctrl+Bracket, Function+F5, Transpose, Strikethrough, Superscript as a civil engineering scenarios. Stay tuned for more efficient and quick techniques in our upcoming sessions. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Chapter 3 Excel Formatting and Basic Excel Formula. We learn 6 shortcut keys of Excel formulas. Start with control bracket and function F5. This is a budget summary. This budget summary link with BOQ. BOQ link with quantity takeoff sheet. Now start. Our first function is control bracket. This summary sheet, external blaster. This is BOQ sheet. Control bracket. Go to the BOQ sheet. Here is a BOQ sheet. This is a quantity takeoff of external blaster. Again control bracket. Go to on quantity takeoff sheet. Now similarly we want to go return. Then type function F5. Here is the shown. To want to go on which sheet, BOQ or summary. Previous sheet is BOQ. Okay. Again function F5. Here is the summary sheet. Okay. We go to directly on external plaster. These two functions very useful at the time of the Excel presentation. Now third function is transpose. I will show you how to use this transpose function. Here is a room name and area in square meter in column format. If anything we want in a row format, select table, copy, paste special, values, transpose, okay. Now this head in row format, this room name also in row format, and here is the area. Now fourth function, Strikethrough. This function used for cancel any sentence or any word, anything. Just go on this sentence, right click, format cell, and in font Strikethrough. Okay. Now fifth function, superscript. Here is the type numeric in this manner. We want to like this. Then go to here, select, right click, format cell, superscript. Form. Okay. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much friends.